To make this cape, we need 150 grams, one ball of this yarn. The recommended needle is 4.5 millimeters, a 4.5 millimeters crochet hook, needle, and scissors. Let's go with a step by step. To make the cape, we have to start making a slip knot and make a chain 80 chains, a chain 80. We start the first row with a chain 3. We have to chain 3. We have to make a double crochet decrease. We have to make one double crochet on the chain number 80. We don't finish it, we have to make another double crochet on the following chain. We don't finish it, and we finished both double crochet together. We made one decrease of double crochet. Continue with 5 double crochet. Here we made a decrease, so now we have to make one increase. We have to make in the same chain 5 double crochet, an increase of 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet in the same chain. Continue with 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, and now we have to make one decrease again, but in this case we have to make a 5 double crochet decrease, 5 double crochet decrease. We have to make one double crochet, we don't finish it, 2 double crochet, we don't finish it, and we repeat the same, making double crochet to have 5 double crochet on the hook, and we have to finish the 5 double crochet together. Once we have the double crochet decrease, we have to start again with 5 double crochet, 1 increase, 5 double crochet, 1 decrease. Remember the increases with 5 double crochet, five double crochet between the increase and the decrease, and a decrease of 5 double crochet. 5 double crochet again, increase, 5 double crochet, 1 decrease. We have to repeat the same to the end of the row. Here you can see the shape, the chevron shape. Once we are at the end of the row, we have to make the 5 double crochet that we have to make after the decrease. And on the last chain we have to make 3 double crochet, only 3 double crochet. We started with 1 decrease and we finish with 1 increase. Half of the decrease at the beginning and half of 1 increase at the end. Row number 2, we have to chain 3, turn, and we have to start with chain 1, and in all this row we only have to take the back loops. Take only the back loops in all this row. In the first stitch we have to make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet. Chain 1 again, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet again. We have to make 2 double crochet separated by chain 1 between the increase and the decrease. Now we have to make the decrease. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, make 1 double crochet and we don't finish it, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet and we don't finish it, skip 1 stitch, and the 3rd double crochet of the increase, we don't finish it and we finish the 3 stitches together. We made 1 decrease. Continue after the decrease with chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet. We have the 2 double crochet between the increase and the decrease, and now we have to make 1 increase. We have to chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and in the same space we have to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. We made 1 increase, and we have to repeat the same from here. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make the decrease. Remember, 1 double crochet, we don't finish it, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, we don't finish it, skip 1 stitch and the 3rd double crochet of the decrease, and we finish the 3 stitches together. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and make again 1 increase, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and the 3rd double crochet of the increase, and we have to repeat. We have to repeat the 2 double crochets separated by chain 1 between the increases and the decreases, and make 1 increase and later 1 decrease, 1 increase and 1 decrease. Remember, always taking the back loops. We have to repeat the same to the end of the row. Once we are at the end, skip one stitch, one double crochet and we don't finish it, skip one stitch and the second double crochet of the last decrease, and we finish both stitches together. This stitch is a repetition of those two rows. Now we make the row number 3, that we have to repeat the row number 1, we have to chain 3, turn, and here we have to take both loops of the stitch. We have to make one decrease of 2 double crochet, one decrease, continue with 5 double crochet, one increase of 5 double crochet, continue with 5 double crochet, one decrease of 5 double crochet, continue with 5 double crochet, one increase of 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, one decrease of 5 double crochet. Repeat the same to the end of the row. Where we have to make an increase of 3 double crochet. We finished the row number 3 and we have to make now the row number 4. We have to repeat the row number 2. So we have to chain 3, turn, chain 1, make 1 double crochet on the first stitch taking only the back loops, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, we have to take only the back loops, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, make the decrease. Remember, is 1 double crochet, we don't finish it, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, we don't finish it, skip another stitch and make the third double crochet of the decrease, and we have to finish the 3 stitches together. Continue with chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and here we have to make the increase, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the same space. And repeat the same to the end of the row. And once we finish the ball of yarn, and once we finish the 150 grams, we have to sew the first row with the last row with a needle. We have to sew both rows together.